Hello everyone. I don't know who this message is for, but I did have a message for someone out there. Amsterdam? I'm getting Amsterdam. Somebody put a lock of their, there's a bridge in Amsterdam that has a whole bunch of locks on it. So I'm being pulled to that region. You go up some stairs, and at the top, there's, this is where someone put a lock. It's either in memoriam, or I feel like this could be. This is what I heard. A female voice saying that after she was planning on breaking up with this guy, and the reason why she was in Amsterdam was because she was going to this bridge to put a lock on the bridge. Now, that was some part of the dream where I moved into a building then that was on the river. There's these old buildings on the river there. And also there was an earthquake in one of the buildings. Meaning I had to go, like, you know how they say, like, go into a bathroom or go into a place where there's a wall? Like a beam over your head. You want to be kind of sheltered. I'm getting it's going to be a 3.0. I'm getting Europe, and I'm seeing the earthquake taking place in a building on the river. They want you to go into an interior room, like a bathroom, or between the bathroom and a larger room. So, but I don't think it's going to be too big of an earthquake. I just got that it was going to be somewhere. I'm picking up Amsterdam. Something is taking place in Amsterdam. This is the message